Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so my name is Abdul Razak and I'm from IDN Boarding School, and today I want to tell you guys on why I want to join UIM or University of Madinah. So first, let me introduce myself. I'm from IDN Boarding School. I've been here since junior high school, and since then I've made a lot of projects and many events that I've joined. So for example, the events maybe like Mission Impossible is where I go to some place where I've never been there with a group of friends and selling stuff to get food. And then there is also EduRes, which we will given a budget, not a big budget, just small, to go to a place quite far away, and we have to manage the money. And then there is also Business Survival, where we were sent to Yogyakarta and live there for a week with only 50,000 for 3 group of people, and we were told to work there to get money for the living costs per day and the ticket to go back home. And then there is also live-in, where I go to a place, to like a village, and I live there with the locals and help them with their daily lives. Okay, so maybe that's for the events. And then for the projects, I've made a couple of websites. First is the portfolio website for myself. Then there's also made a Quran web in website, so you can read your Quran in website. Then also the application for the Quran, and there is also a praying time in there. And then I made news app in mobile and website also. And then I've made 2 projects in the Business Survival. I made like a company profile for the company I work in Jogja. And then maybe that's all of the highlighted projects. Now we move on why I want to join UIM. So UIM is a university that accepts all kinds of students from anywhere. I think right now there's about 170 countries that there's the people in there. And then there is also scholarships. There's a lot of scholarships from UIM itself, and it's fully funded. And the financial benefits are monthly stipend, then 2 months allowance for accessories upon arrival, and then 3 months graduation allowance for shipping books. So if you want to there's a holiday, you go back home, it is being funded by the university. Then 1 month allowance for textbooks annually, provided that its disbursement limited to completing the study. And then there is also free transportation from the university to the Nabawi Mosque. And if you pray in Nabawi Mosque, it is about, I think, 10,000 times better than in a regular mosque. So that is one of the benefits from learning in this university. And then there is also free medical service, university housing, academic and cultural activities. students guidance and counseling, discount meals, and library for books. And because this is Islam University, there is it's also the environment is filled with, of course, Islamic stuff, and you can learn a lot from there, especially in the Nabawi Mosque, and there's also the library, and there is like the faculty is divided into two. There is first the Islamic faculty, and there is the like technology faculty. So the Islamic using Arabic for the teaching, and the technology faculty is using English. So you don't have to be good in Arabic, but the area in dormitory you have to use Arabic. So if you want to communicate there, you have to know Arabic. And then there's also student service centers, post office, commercial libraries, restaurants, and shopping centers. Now the faculty that I want to join is information technology, because here in IDN I studied in the senior high school choosing software engineer major, which is like software development, and information technology is also something like that, developing softwares like maybe websites and application. So it is aligned with what my major is. And then also the difference between the Islam faculty and technology is the technology is 5 years and the Islam is only 4 years. And then for the now is I want to explain on why UIM should accept me. So first is because I want to learn there and learn not just technology but also the Islamic cultures. And in Madinah, it is a blessed city, more 2 times than Mecca, and the environment there seems really good, and the food there is also really good. And then you could also maybe like once in a month you could do Umrah, which is very good. And then you could also pray in Nabawi Mosque because it is better. So, and after praying, I think there is like a halaqah from the ustads in there, and you can join to listen on their what they're saying. They usually talk about Islamic things. And then I'm also very good at adapting in places. Usually doesn't take long to me to adapt. And then for the contribution, I will of course implement the things that I learned from there, whether it's the Islamic things or the technology things. I will implement them and maybe teach them to others, maybe starting from my family, of course, my brothers and sister, my near family, and then maybe friends, and then other people. And then the goals is so I can pray in Nabawi Mosque like almost every day, and then it's also in when it's doomsday, the Madinah is the the safe city from Dajjal. So it'd be nice if I'm already there and I don't need to go anywhere. And of course, the goals is not only for dunia, for this world. It's also for akhirat, for the Jannah, heaven, and there are a lot of benefits, not only for myself but also for other people. So I think oh yeah, here are some pictures for in the UIM. I think this is the gate for coming in. Then this is also the gate, and this is the building for the faculty. For each faculties there is a building for each own, and the dormitory is separate. And yeah, I think that's all from me. Sorry if there's many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.